My video tutorial is about removing the online scam and malicious pop-ups by the site unessscvolley.co.in. unessscvolley.co.in is a new dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, unessscvolley.co.in, tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted software, certain unwanted browser extensions. But of course, you need to be very careful not to tolerate these pop-ups. Do not install any junk extensions that they promote, so just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to research the computer. Additionally, with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system in order to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.